Okay, there is a plugged winze as soon as you get inside this mine. Welcome everybody, this is Nick with Colorado Underground, and I'm exploring a different type of mine. It's a tungsten mine. This isn't your gold, your silver, your copper, your zinc. This is a tungsten mine, and yeah, as soon as you walk in, huge hole right off. So we got some fun ahead and lots to see, deep water to trek, and we're gonna push far into this. So come along as we explore the unknown. And I'm also here with a good friend of mine I haven't seen for a while, so I'm stoked. This is gonna be a fun day underground. Okay, so we're continuing down the main tunnel. This is definitely a mine that you're gonna need waders for. From what I understand, it gets crazier and crazier as we go further in. You got a rock bolt already right there. Yeah, I got a ice axe with me. Got some modern trash. I'm sure other people have probably been in here recently over the years. Oh crap. Sorry, low tunnel. Oh, look at that crystal clear water. Ooh. This is lovely. Okay, we got our first collapse. More trash. Okay, that's where we gotta go. We gotta keep pushing from one collapse to the next. It looks like there's a raise ahead, so we'll get over there and check that out. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Can you believe that? That's barely being held on there now. That'll eventually come down one day. Hopefully not with us. Yeah, this is a nice little stoked out area. And the main tunnel continues to the right. There's a small little cross cut off to the left. They didn't go anywhere. 5 feet. Wow. Yeah, that's how they were holding those timbers up. That is cool. I guess we'll be going forward. Oh wow. There's a good amount of airflow coming down. Yeah.
I'm hoping we can figure out what this connects to later today.
Whoa. Wow, that goes quite a ways up there, folks. So, this ramp right here, probably would have been how they scramble it up. And then there's probably a ladder at one point where they kept climbing upwards. But, oh yeah, it definitely goes. That's pretty cool. Our mission is to keep pushing forward, seeing what lies ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Okay, so wait. Sorry people. Cycling through cameras. Yeah, you got one or more of those I don't know what you would call this.
I think they call those bull horns.
Bolt horns?
Bull horns, like.
Bull horns.
Yeah.
I thought you said bull horns. I was like, what? That's pretty cool. Okay, so you see how it's kind of shaped right there? And then you see this one? They would have had a piece of timber that went across it that they would have stood on. Like modern day mining, like this one. So that's exactly how it would have looked. And this timber could have been the one that used to be in that place. Very unique. Wow. She's a biggie, folks. She's a biggie. This thing goes on. Not as bad for like walking like some of the mines I've been in, where it was like some boots stuck in mud and you'd step in and all of a sudden you're like knee deep in mud. You can still feel a pretty good airflow coming out. Okay, so we're getting into some really big workings. Yeah, it definitely goes. And there looks like a major collapse up ahead. Is this the one that we got to climb over?
Yeah.
Is this where the water starts getting deep?
Yeah.
Not chest deep yet though, right?
Just about.
Just about?
Yeah.
Keep camera secure?
Oh yeah.
All right, people, I'm probably going to put my camera in my bag once we get over this collapse. From what I understand, it's going to get deep, so I'll be on my GoPro until it's over. You can see how crazy this is. Wow. I believe the yellow was probably an old airline that they used for their, I guess, their drills. Yeah, time to switch to the GoPro.
This is a failed chute right here. You can kind of see the chute down there.
Oh, look at this stope. There's something that I don't really see in a mine very often. It's a pillar. So you can see that it looked like they went around it and they made a pillar right there. And then a failed ore chute, and then some very deep water up head. But you can feel the airflow just blasting you in the face like an AC unit on a hot day. Feels nice. All right, let's keep going. All right, people, here we are. Some very deep water you want to be careful of. Oh.
I kind of remember sticking to the left last time, but
Yeah, and then you gotta watch your feet. Oh my gosh, it's so deep. It's so deep. Yeah, I could see some boats. Some boats and hose.
careful, your bag's about to dip under the water.
Okay, it's starting to get open up more. That's good. It's starting to get less deep. Oh. Okay, that was only that section. Dang, that's about 4 feet deep worth of water, people. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is nuts. Yeah, it's starting to get a little more shallower. Still. Anybody want a boat? Okay, it's starting to get deep again. And then you can't even see the water anymore. Yeah, you could see another boat over there. So we're gonna take this very carefully, people. Doo-doo-doo. Very carefully. Okay. How you doing, buddy?
I'm trying so hard not to get my backpack in the water.
Right? I'm using my pickaxe to like break away the muck on top of the water so I can see.
Oh, nice.
Okay, that's starting to get a little better. Yeah, this is nuts, people. Oh my gosh.
This is definitely deeper than last time.
Okay. Oh, I think I can. Yeah, there's some rails right underneath this. Okay, cool. Oh. Wow. Is that the deepest area?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Okay, we're in the clear. Okay. Wow.
Let's go to the left here.
Let's go to the left.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to the left, people. You see another boat? We'll come back to that one after. Wow. Dude, that is nuts. That's cool. I haven't been in that deep of the water for a while. Okay, the tunnel's getting really small, so I'm crouching. Okay, gotta be careful of these old boards.
Oh, yes, yes.
You don't know if one of them might have a nail. Last thing you want to do is pop holes in your waders when you're this far back in and this deep. It'll make your day underground miserable. Don't stand up. Oh, dude, there's an old blob.
Oh shit.
Oh, okay. Okay, we got a bunch of old timbers that are just scattered about, so you gotta be careful with every step you take. There's an old piece of cable. Yeah, it's getting really little.
Oh, we're there.
Oh wow, look at this. Like a whole structure underground.
It's a workshop.
It's a workshop?
Yeah, also it's like a powder mag too. It's like it functions as one.
What? Alright people, let's go in. Oh, dude.
We got a dynamite box wrapper right here.
Okay, so this is where you hang your... I'm gonna grab my camera out.
Did you see the Hercules wrapper though? Isn't that cool?
Okay. So we got a dynamite Hercules. Danger, high explosives, this side up. And this is the workstation. There's a sign that says "Get out." It's skull and crossbones, a bottle, and some one modern beer. Got a workbench that goes all the way out, and a mess on the floor. Got some shelving, which is cool. Oh, and then you got this. I don't know if you noticed this, but there's a railroad spike right into the wall right there. You would have hung something pretty heavy duty off that. And then they have duct tape that they like nailed. I think that they were using it to like keep, like, I'm not sure. Like a place where like you would go if something went wrong underground. But we're gonna grab our stuff and then keep going. There's the glorious water right there. We are through the deepest section, so we are in the clear. Oh. Okay. Off we go. There's an ore chute here. What? Does it still work? Oh my gosh, it still works. Okay. It looks like that they had 2 at one point. Look at that. Oh my. This looks like a head frame underground. Whoa. Oh. Hey, I see the boat right there. It says let's play. Okay. Let's play a game. What? Can we get over there?
I think so. I think John made it over there. We'll just have to be careful. Yeah, I don't know, dude.
Is there a hole? Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I think it might span the whole floor right there. We'll see.
Okay, we're gonna safely look at, there's a hoist on the other side. No, I see an area where you can safely get around it.
I just can't tell if it's false floor or not, but...
Oh wow, dude, look up. Do you see the glass?
Oh, yeah. You gonna try it?
Yeah, I see something that I can safely walk across. Whoa. Dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's a giant bucket of grease.
Really?
And the wheel is still greased up. Yeah, it's perfectly safe back here.
Okay, sweet.
7907. 2007. So you never been back here?
No, I was too scared to cross that, dude.
Ah, dude, look at that. It's still greased up and ready to go.
You can like... Oh, dude.
Ooh, I got an idea. Okay, so here's that hoist. That thing is caked in grease right now. And then they built this wooden platform to protect it for some reason. The levers still work. Yeah. This one definitely. All right, let's get a, so. Yeah, there is also a false floor that we had to cross over just to get to it. But look at there's still so much grease on that. It's just, that's all it needs to go. And then there's the grease bucket right here. Oh, okay, I see that they built 2 of them to put over. And the other one's lying right there. So, yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna get out of here and I'll let my friend take some pictures if he needs to, or see this up hand, because this is really cool. So that was the only false floor back there, right? Or is there another one up here?
There, you know, there's another winds coming up, and there might be false floors around it. I can't remember.
Wow, look at this chute, people. It's all busted up. Yeah. Okay. Wow. It just goes a long ways up. Oh my, look at all that. Well, looks like we got a ladder and an air tank coming up. And a crap ton of metal bars. And there's a NOS can back here. We are not the only ones. I'm pretty sure people have been exploring this mine for like decades. I found a 7-Up can over there from the 1970s.
Oh, really?
Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, dude, be careful.
You got the wind right?
Yeah, there's a hole right there.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Okay, I almost slipped down in there, people. Oh, yeah. You can see it goes a long ways down. Okay, yeah, be careful, buddy. Yeah, we got a false floor. Are you sure you went beyond this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, no, that's not a false floor. Okay, good. A good thing I got this.
Yeah, seriously.
I was gonna poke the floor just to get an idea. Okay.
Oh, it does look like false floor. I see why you were,
Yeah, because the darkness.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But after poking it, I find out that it's just rock.
Alright, I think this actually might have been where I had to turn back, but I can't remember. It's been a couple years. Is there any way to get around it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, this
Oh, you're gonna want to take off your pack, though.
Okay.
Okay, so he's crawling through that. It's very, this is where the mine is becoming very unstable. We can't take our packs any further. We could, but I don't know how much more this is going to carry out. This is a huge stoped out area. I mean, huge. There's an old ladder right there. If I was with somebody else, they would definitely have climbed up that ladder. Actually, it doesn't look that bad of shape.
Yeah, we could maybe try it.
My guess is this mine's like between the early 1900s and the 1940s. Judging from like more of the modern mining that they've done here. Yeah, we'll keep pushing and see what we find.
I was kind of worried about it,
Snapping?
oh, like tilting back is kind of a...
No, I think it's pretty lean. If you lean your body forward, I think you'd be all right.
Okay.
Those boards seem a lot more modern.
Yeah, you're right. Would you be down to maybe hold the ladder for me?
Yeah, I'll come up. Okay, so we're starting to slowly make our way back out now. It got very dangerous and it's completely collapsed. You probably could go over it if you had rope, but it just looked like it was getting worse and worse. So we're slowly making our way back out. We got plenty more to see. Oh, this adventure is far from over, but gonna go check all this out and see what we find. But we'll see you soon into the next mine. If I see anything else, I'll let you know. Okay. Bear with me, folks. I put my pack back on. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, there's a little bit of water, but not too bad. Okay. Whew. All right, we're in mine number 2. This should be, I guess, the main adit for this tungsten mine. So we climbed up higher and came up here. Now we're making our way through. Got a little bit of water, but not like what we went through back there. Not 4 feet of water now. It's some boot sucking mud though, that's for sure. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, that's literally like, put your foot down, and then it grabbed it and it just won't let go. Okay. Yeah, good thing we have our waders. Muck boots would have been fine, but we have our waders, so why would we come back with muck boots? And look at this old door. And the tunnel keeps going. Is this where you have to dig the collapse out?
Yeah.
All right, we're in mine number 2. This should be, I guess, the main adit for this tungsten mine. So we climbed up higher and came up here. Now we're making our way through. Got a little bit of water, but not like what we went through back there. Not 4 feet of water now. It's some boot sucking mud though, that's for sure. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, that's literally like, put your foot down and then it grabs it and it just won't let go. Okay. Yeah, good thing we have our waders. Muck boots would have been fine, but we have our waders, so why would we come back with muck boots? All right, look at this old door. And the tunnel keeps going. Dude, that feels so solid. It's crazy. All right, people. It's getting very small. Oh, crap. It's getting extremely small. Okay, we're gonna drop our packs and grab the shovels. At least it's dry over here.
I don't know, what do you think? Do you think it looks doable? I feel like it kind of does. Since it's just mud, you know?
It might be. Yeah, it could possibly be.
It's worth a shot, I guess. Do you feel any airflow though?
No, I don't think it's open. All right, folks, so we're gonna head out of this one. There's no way we want to waste our time trying to dig that out for potential that it might not even go much further. Not right now. There's still plenty of other ones in the area that we're gonna climb up and keep seeing. So we'll see you at the next explore. If not, I hope you guys enjoy my video and give me a like and a subscribe, and see you on the next one. As my feet get stuck in the water. Okay, this is the next mine, mine number 3. We don't need waders. There's no water. Let me get my, okay. It's a little buggy though. But this will probably be the last explorer of the day, which is fine. Ugh. Got a bug in my mouth. Oh my. Is that a collapse or no? That's the face. Okay. Huh. I guess we're gonna turn to the right. Oh my gosh.
Did you see the bat?
Yeah, there's bats back here.
Oh shit. Like how many?
Right now I see one. Yeah, he's sleeping. There's a bat right there. Okay, I'm going into red mode. I don't want to disturb the little guy. Looks like he's just hanging out. Besides, the mine dead ends right ahead anyway, so I'm gonna take some pictures and then we'll flip around. All right, so we'll climb up here and see. Oh, I'll be damned. Oh, wow. No, it definitely keeps going. So muddy. Yeah, I don't think I'd climb up there. It's so slick, you just slip right on your ass. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure that's it. No more. But it was still fun. Got to see that really cool one with all the deep water. The other one's kind of meh. It could have had a potential, but we would have spent most of our day trying to dig it out. So yeah, I think that's it for this day. This has been a fun adventure underground, getting to link up with a friend I haven't seen for a while, and he is taking me on his own tour, which I really appreciative. So if you like the videos, then give me a like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Take care, everyone.